If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
Yo, boy, it's your boy, Young Law, CEO, Young Law, never sleep. Shout out my boy 302. Number one person, I need y'all to tap in right now. Log out, tap in.
Two gang was good, but we back with another vibe, man. It's your boy 302. Check in. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and share this video, man. You know, I feel like my channel way too popping. I need more traffic, man. Share this video. Let share it with your mother, your brother, your sister, your father, everybody that you know, all your homeboys that's in the cars, man. Let them know what we doing right here. Let them know what we doing right here. I ain't like them other YouTubers. We different around here, so. Make sure you like this video, share, let everybody know what's going on. But yeah, today, it's one of them rainy days. So you know how I get on the rainy days. I always want to put out some content still. So it's supposed to be raining in Georgia for like the next 5-6 days. So I was online the other day. I was looking at something to, make the car look better, hook up the whip. So I found some of these LED side markers off of Amazon that I ordered. They like 40 bucks or something simple. Just like a quick do-it-yourself project. I ordered these. They real cheap, man. But I think like the Boss 32 got like orange, like a lot of orange, like the orange side markers and stuff like that. So I want to swap them out. These have like a tint over them, but when they light up, it's LED white. So I think that'll complement the headlights and complement it'll complement the front of the car, make the car look a lot better. So we about to get started with that. So make sure like this video, man. Share it. Let everybody know what's going on. All right, see, let's check this out. These are what I was referring to right here. If you didn't know, see how these is orange. Yeah, man. I think the smoke black look, but the LED white light look will look way better at nighttime. So this is what we got. You got to jack the car up and go from like under the inside right there. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to swap it out. Like I said, I think overall it'll look way better on the car. Like I said, when the final product, I'm probably like kind of do it till it's evening at night, so y'all can actually see how the lights loght up. But yeah, let's get that started right now. Cause look at that. I don't like that orange look. It look kind of ugly. And the smoke look during the day, it'll match like the black going down the side and stuff like that. I'm actually order some more headlights too. I think I'm gonna do like the 13, 14 style headlights, so I can have like the little LED rays on the side. I think let me know if I should do that. I'm gonna do that too. So let's get started with this update.
All right, now I don't know if you can really see it, but that's the side right here. We just gonna start off by taking this. Of course, you gotta take the wire off the back. That out. Now these sides, they got, is this a screw, I think? Hold on, let me get some light so I can see. Alright, you can kind of see it. They have like these things on here, that right there, and one on the other side too. I believe I can just take a look like probably a number 8 millimeter, and just get these two things out. So let me get the 8 millimeter, and we about to do that. So let me go get that. But yeah, it actually ended up being a 10. So these, like I said, you could do these with your hand. They're not even like on too tight. You could just unscrew them. Like I just got the socket in my hand and I just unscrewed. As you can see, the piece just fell right off. This is it right here.
So yeah, this is 10 millimeter socket. That's it. If you could find yours, you know those are very hard to find. Everybody loses those in their toolbox. So all right, let's get this light out and get the new one in. And this is very simple. See, once you do that, the light just kind of pushes out. I should just push it out from the inside, but as you can see, the light just come right out. It's real simple. Come on out of there, man. Don't make me look bad.
All right, as you can see, this is the old one. See, it's orange, this ugly orange. Look, I hate this, it's ugly. And this is our new one right here. It's a LED trim, which is gonna look beautiful in there. It's a nice LED light, probably be very bright at night. Makes, you know, just gives the car some sex appeal, make it look good in the front. So now, let me put this down. What you do with these is, I believe you pull this out. It should just twist out. Yep, see that? That's your bulb right there. You pull that out, and with the new lights, you pull this bulb out, the light bulb. See, the bulb is out. Dang, why is it not focusing? But the new bulb comes out, and you take, see, the new one comes with this thing right here. There you go, see this part right here? Now you take this part, and with your light bulb housing, all you're gonna do is just slide this into here. This slides right into the same place that your light bulb came out of. See, you slide that in like that, into the same housing the light bulb came in. Then you push it in. Get the wires in, and you push that in, and it locks in. Let me lock that in. That all the way in. And it locks in like that, see? Now, that's your new setup right there, very simple. Now let's get this put back on the car. On the outside, you slide it back in the same way your other light went in. Of course, you take the plastic off. Look at that, boy, that's amazing already. Look at the difference already in the light. Like, see what I mean? How it gives like it makes the cars look beautiful, like on this side. See how it gives it a more like black and white look? I like that way better than like this side right here. See how this side is orange? Even though there's nothing wrong with this look, I like it, but I like the smoke look better. It gives the car like more sex appeal. All right, so let's test the light to make sure it works. All right, YouTube, this is how this side looks lit up. Like you see, like I said with these, I'm gonna get the 13, 14 taillights to replace these so it could take this ugly orange out the middle right here. Like I liked it at first, but you know, I'm gonna switch that out. I used to like it, but I don't really like it like that no more. And this is how the SAR marker looked. This is what I replaced on the other side. Now, dun 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 dun. This is how we look now, baby. Look at that. It's very, very, very much clean. Look how clean of a look that is. Like I love it. Like I said, I still got to do something about these, but as you can see from the side marker, it's a lot brighter. It's more clean. It actually like complements the white that's already on there. Like it looks amazing. So, like I said, it's a very simple install. It doesn't really take that long to do. The same 2 screws that you seen me take out, I just put those screws back in on those to lock it in to make sure it's locked in. And now this is a finished product, baby. I like it. Now let's do the other one so we can do a finished look on both sides. Like I said, same thing for the other side. It's very simple. This is somebody that want to do it at home by themselves. Very simple. You just pull it. Like I say, you take this, and once you get it out, it comes with these little things on the side. They're not even really bolts. They like lockers that lock these in. And what you want to do is pull this out. Like I said, well, you twist it first to the unlock position. Then you slide that out. As you can see, this is your original light bulb. There you go. This right here, pull the bulb out, and you take the same housing, and you take this part, and you slide it in to the where the light bulb came out of. Slide that in there. Come on, go on in there, baby. Slide that in there.
and you stuff the wires back in, and you put it inside the housing, and you twist. Come on, baby. And you shut it all the way back in. Then you twist, lock it in place like that. Now it's locked into your new one. Then you install it into the car just like that. Take the plastic off, of course. Now let's install it back in, and I'm gonna show y'all finished product, baby. Stay tuned. All right, I got both sides on YouTube. You can see this side is on right here. Oh my God, that's gonna look so good at night. I promise you, at nighttime, that shit's gonna look amazing. I just know it is. Like, look how the white complements the white so good. The white lights. Like, oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Like, once it's dark outside, I can show y'all finished product of how nice that's gonna be. But as you can see right there, it look good already. But yeah, let's let the car down and let's try to look on the ground with the hood closed. All right, YouTube, it's finished product, man. So I got the car back on the ground. I got the LED lights on the bottom. Now that I really got these LED lights on, that makes me want to change the headlights like tomorrow. Like, I think I'm gonna order those now. But yeah, you know, when it's raining outside, this is kind of what I like to do. I want to still give y'all content, so what I do is I find little small things to do like this. Like, I had these lights for a minute, but I was saving them for a day when the weather was bad and I can't really get no action content. So when I don't get no action content, I have little small jobs like these that I do, you know, just to keep myself in the algorithm, keep things flowing. So, you know, it's your boy 302. We about to check up out of here. Just, you know, making a quick video for the lights. And wait, don't leave the video yet, because I'm gonna make another video when it's nighttime of it. Another clip of it at nighttime, so you can see how they really shine, like how bright they really are at night. So y'all stay tuned for that. But as you can see, both lights are on, and I love them, baby. I ain't gonna lie, I love them. I paid $40 for them. You can't beat that. Stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, you can see this is how it looks. This is finished product without the headlights being on. I'm gonna turn the headlights on for a minute, but see how good, look how bright that is. See how it shines? That's a lot. That LED is nice. Look at the other side. Like, look at that. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I really like that I did this. I think this really complements the car greatly. Like, look how bright the LED. I'm trying to get both of them at the same time. That's crazy, man. Like, this is without the headlights even being on. Like I said, this was off Amazon for $40. I'm telling you, it's well worth it. Like, I think you should spend your money on it if you, like I said, if you're looking for this look. Like, I think it's lit, man. But like I said, it's your boy 302, man. We finna check up out of here. You know what, let me turn the headlights on real quick. Alright, YouTube, here you go. This is finished product right here. This how I look with the headlights on too. I already showed you, like, they shine pretty bright. Like, the front of this car is super bright now. I'm trying to get you a look of it without the headlights blocking the way, but you can kind of see it. Like, that looks good, baby.
He wanted to show you right now. What you got, Duty?
You can't make a video in peace. Your family gotta come out here and bother you. Hey, you look cool though, Cole. Huh? What's up?
Wrist, elbow, shoulder. Are you recording me?